Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the main difference of the forex trading and the future trading. I will be give you a comprehensive comparison of both of this trading, and I will be in the second part I will be talk about the platforms, and in the third part I will be give you a most popular platforms of the forex trading and the future trading. So let's talk about in this video. We will be talk about the first thing that I will be talk about the main difference between the forex trading and the future trading. Second thing that we will be talk about the advantages and disadvantages of the forex and the future trading. So in the third thing that we will be talk about that which trading is better for the future and forex. And the fourth thing that we will be talk about the platform of the both forex and the future. So let's talk about the main difference between the forex trading and the future trading. Forex trading are the decentralized exchanges in which you can be trade about the decentralized. You have need to deal with the different price of every broker. So this is the main difference that you have need to deal in that. On the other hand, if you will be talk about the future trading, there are the centralized exchanges, that is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So every price is same and you don't have need to deal with the scam weeks and price difference. The same prices that you will be get in every broker, every exchange. That is the benefit of the future trading. So let's talk about the second point, is that is forex trading is not regulated. That's the why you are much chances of getting scam. On the other hand, if you will be talk about the future trading, they are regulated and there are less chances. So let's talk about the third main difference of the forex trading, is that the forex trading have a little bit of high liquidity, but due to the decentralized exchanges not regulated, you have many chances that you will be get scam VIX accelerating due to the unregulated broker, and they will be hunt your asset due to the VIX during the news time and New York session opening time when the volume is very high. On the other hand, if you will be talk about the future trading have a little bit high edge. They are have high liquidity, but if you will be talk about the scam of fix, there is no chances because they are centralized exchanges and you have they are regulated, and there is you will not get scam of the VIX, and there will be same prices, same everything, the volume will be same, everything price movement will be same in everything because they are centralized with the CME. If we will be talk about the forex trading, they have a little bit high leverage, and even many brokers are offering 2000 leverage. On the other hand, future trading, in this due to the regulation, they have or they are offering very small leverage, 20 leverage, 50 leverage, just like this. So let's talk about the main difference between the forex trading and the future trading. Forex trading is mostly suitable for the swing trading and the day trading. I mean that if you wanted to hold your trade for many days and weeks, then you can be take yourself in the forex trading. But on the other hand, if you wanted to take intraday trading and the scalping, then you should be need to try only future trading. I mean the scalping is also only for the future trading, and you can be do forex trading in forex trading, but I mean that sooner or later you will be realize that scalping in forex trading is not going to be give you a much profit, and you will have need to get many slippage issues. So forex trading is mostly suitable for the currencies. I mean that if you wanted to trade euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY, just like these major pairs and the minor pairs, you can be trade on the forex pair, and you can be hold overnight these trades in the forex trading. But on the other hand, if you will be talk about the future trading is especially for the indices like Nasdaq, US 30, Dow Jones, gold future, which is also known as the GC. And then the main thing is all about the crude oil. Crude oil you can be also trade in the future and forex trading. And if you wanted to trade in the future trading, and you can't take your trade overnight. I mean that if you wanted to take your hold your trade for the to 1 day or 2 day, you can't take your trade overnight. So this is the main difference in the future, that they don't allow you to take your trades in more than a day. So this is the main drawdown of the future trading. So but because it is specially future trading is made for the scalping, so that's why you have need to deal with it. And this is going to be another point, that is going to be the forex trading. I mean that forex trading, if you want to hold your trade many days and weeks, you can be hold without any need of the expiration dates. You don't have need to deal with the expiration dates. On the other hand, if you are trying to trade future trading, you have need to trade specific contract size, and you have need to deal with the expiration dates. I mean that there are many dates you have need to deal that, and you can't take your trades overnight, and you have need to deal that you have need to close your trade before that expiration date of that contract. So guys, let's talk about the main difference between the forex and the future trading. This is the main issue that the people are converting from the forex trading to the future trading. I mean that is a slippage issue. I mean that if you wanted to execute it, your price order at a specific price in the marketplace, but when you are putting your trade, the executed and the desired price is totally different. So this is the main issue of this slippage in the forex trading, and it is causing very it is going to be most widely in the forex trading, and this is really a big problem in the forex trading if you are doing scalping and intraday trading. So on the other hand, if you are doing short-term trading and day trading, so you will not have a much problem, but if you are doing scalping on that, then you have need. On the other hand, if you will talk about the future trading, you have no slippage issues. And if you will be talk about the platform trading, that is the MT4 and MT5, this is not looking good for the analyzing the chart. But on the other hand, if you will be talk about the future trading, they have the trading view platform to analyze the chart and even directly trade on that in trading view chart. So it's become a little bit edge towards the future trading if you are doing scalping especially, and analyzing trade and put trade at the same time. So let's talk about the forex trading and the future trading timing of the market. The forex trading opens 23 hours in a day, open from Monday to Friday, 5 days in a week. On the other hand, if you will be talk about the future trading is also have the same timing, but still sometimes it varies due to the contract holiday, and maybe due to the bank holiday, and due to the different events that could be sometimes but the prices and the contracts could be closed before early than the market closure. So now let's talk about the cost of the trade in forex trading and the future trading. In forex trading, you have need to deal with the spread, and sometimes the spread is also going to be increased, and you have need to also deal with the commission in the forex trading. On the other hand, if you will be talk about the future trading, you have need to deal with the commission and the exchange fee. That is really a small fee, and this is going to be at in the future trading. So now let's talk about the main thing is all about that. If you wanted to trade forex trading, you have a variety of the pairs, and you can be trade almost everything, even the future pairs in the forex trading. But on the other hand, if you wanted to trade the future trading, you can't trade all the, you have a limited number of the pairs that you can be trade. I mean that there are four things that four pairs that you can be trade: indices, Nasdaq, US 30, Dow Jones, US gold, and crude oil. On the other hand, these are all the things that you can be trade in the forex trading, and even you can be hold your these all these trades many days to many hours and many weeks. So this is the main edge that is going to be forex trading, have a variety number of the pairs to trade, and on the other hand, future have a limited number of the options. So let's talk about that which trading is best for you. So it's depend on you, depend upon the nature of you. I mean that if you are liking to hold trading, short-term trading, then you can be go on the forex trading. Forex trading is suitable for the currencies, majorly USD, JPY, Euro USD, GBP USD, and only for this swing trading. So now let's talk about the future trading. In future trading, you are going to trade only almost four pair: Nasdaq, Dow Jones, gold, and crude oil. And it is only suitable if you are a scalper and intraday trading. I mean that if you are trading only scalping few minutes to few hours, then you can be doing future trading. So it's all depend upon your nature. So guys, this was my first part between the forex and the future trading, and in the next video we will be talk about the pro form overview for the future trading and the forex trading. We have a complete detail, and this that was going to be happen in the second part. In the second part, we will be talk about that. I will be share a complete and in-depth video on Profirm, and I will be try to explain everything about the pros and cons of both future and the forex trading. It all depend upon your nature of the trading, that which type of trading you want to do.